Hello everyone and welcome back to my crafting world. My name is Anna. So a couple of weeks ago, I think it was 2 weeks ago, I was watching a video. Elena for Crafts is her YouTube channel name. She was having a, what do you call those? A hidden giveaway. And then there was so I normally don't enter many giveaways just because I feel like I have so much. But there was something in there that I kind of liked. I'm like, oh, that would be cool to have. Or I don't remember what my thought process was, but it was something that I liked. I entered the giveaway and I actually won, guys. I won. So I feel very, very lucky. Elena, thank you so much. Let me see what her real name is. It's Elena. So I got my package yesterday. I was just really busy yesterday it was Monday. I was doing things for everybody but me. So I said, well, let me wait until I actually have the time to open this package and we can see what's in there. So I have just cut the package open. So I'm gonna take everything out. Elena, thank you so much. I appreciate the giveaway. So the first thing we're looking at is it says 8x8 page making kit. Oh, that's cool. Oh, it's got all these little it's got a little sticker page there. It's got flat stickers. These are up on foams. It's got, let's open this. That's pretty. Colors, let me move this out of the way. Colors are right up my alley with the pinks. So we are going to open this and see what's included. It says it has 6 8x8 papers, 38 stickers, and 6 soft-spoken pieces. So yeah, these are probably the soft-spoken pieces. Oh, I see how they had it on there. Yeah, they're up on foam. 2, 3, 4, 5. This is it. So they're on a piece of acetate to keep them. And these have like an enamel finish to the top. Those are so pretty. Memories of a lifetime. Very, very, very pretty. Like those. And then here are the stickers. Let me see how they put it on here. Yes, I guess it's non-stick tape. So these are the stickers. Those are so pretty. Very, very pretty. Have some glitter on them. Some sentiments. The flowers. Very, very nice. And these are the papers. How pretty. It's single-sided. How pretty are these? Oh, look at that one. Gorgeous. And then this one, of course, they coordinate with the stickers. And this is another one. And there's another one. And this is the last one. Beautiful, beautiful set. I like that. Very nice. Elena, thank you so much for including something so gorgeous. And the next thing is, this is the one that I thought was really pretty. As you can tell, the colors are not my colors, but this is so pretty. Look at that. Oh my gosh, that's pretty. So we're gonna open this up, and they always have something on the back. Graphic 45 always has some kind of, template or something on the back. So we are going to, and here's the pillow box. They always have that pillow box. So I'm going to flip through it really quick. Oh, how pretty. Look at that. Very, very pretty. And it looks like 3 sheets per design. Oh, look at that. Gorgeous. And I like this one with all the letters. The back is really, or the front is really pretty. Oh my gosh, look at that, guys. Oh, that is beautiful. Like I said, those are normally not my colors, but I just thought they were so pretty. Very, very pretty. There we go. Oh, look at this one, guys. This one's so pretty. Beautiful. Yes, so that is gorgeous, gorgeous. Love that. All right, and the next thing she has included, let me flip this around. The next thing she has included is this Just Right for creating custom cards. Oh, they're 12 pre-scored cards. Isn't that cool? Let's open this up and look at that. They have a little window. That is just so cool. Look at that. I'm going to fold one in just to show you what they look like. Look at that. Oh, that is so cool. I love that. And it does come in different colors. We have the light pink, the yellow. These are so springy, aren't they? Lavender, green, light blue, and then the darker pink. That is so cool. I like that. Very, very nice. Yes, I'll be using that. And then she has included these stickers, K & Company. They are flower stickers. Very pretty. Then they coordinate nicely with, yep, I like it. Very nice. Thank you, Elena. And then she has included sew a ribbon. We are memory keepers. All right. Well, we're gonna have to give that a try and see how that works. And then she has included a card, and the washi did come off. I'm assuming it's a card. I don't know if it's a card. I'm gonna open this up. She has decorated it with stickers, and I'm going to open this up, and I hope I don't cut anything because I'm going to cut the edge off, the very edge. Okay, let me open this up. And no, it's not a card. Let's see what this is. Oh, these are, well, I don't know if they're stickers or ephemera pieces, but let us check this out. There's another one in here that doesn't want to cooperate. There we go. Oh, that's a little notepad. Those are notepad sheets. Super cute. Super, super cute. And look at this owl. Isn't it gorgeous? Oh my goodness. It is going to go in my stash for next year. Oh, okay. Hello, sweetie. Congrats on your winnings. Enjoy your goodies. Thank you so much for your support and watching. Blessings, Elena for Crafts. Oh, that's so pretty. I could still use this though. Yes, that is pretty. And then she has included some more little sticky notes. And here's another one. And oh, isn't that cute? Here's another set of sticky notes, and then here is the last one. Elena, thank you so much for everything. Thank you for hosting that giveaway. Thank you for mailing out promptly. Guys, she mailed it out really quick. I mean, like really quick. Anyway, I'm going to put her link in the description box. That way, if you want to go check her out, let her know that I sent you. And yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Y'all have a great day.